Guys. Guys. Everyone, guys. That's right now.
Yes.
Here's my sister Celine.
What is it?
That's it.
There's an ad. Oh my goodness. Another ad. No, taka lang the plug. Here. This one. Nearly.
Yeah.
Yeah, ano. Mana noon. Finito. No, nursery rhymes. So is that what we're doing today?
Huh?
Is that what we're doing? We can leave 2:45 around that time. Good afternoon, guys. It's currently 2:30 ng hapon and we are getting ready kasi pipick upin na natin ang ating Ate Paris from school. Aalis na sana kami ni Baby Celine, but then sabi ni Daddy Mike na ang ating Daddy Mike ay working from home today. So, sabi niya na magbe-break na daw siya ngayon. So, sasama daw siya. So, supposedly, yung plano sana is pupunta kami ng bakery. Maglalakad kami towards Ate Paris' school. Sabi ko, why hindi na lang maghintay ng mga 2:45 ganun kasi para pick upin namin si Ate Paris together. And then, yeah, we can go straight to the bakery. Kasi 1 hour naman yung break ni Daddy Mike. At hindi naman masyadong malayo yung school from here. So, ayan. Work muna siya. This one is already dressed up. Shh. Are we going to pick up Ate Paris? Shh. Lane. Lane. Miss Celine Mackenzie?
And Mommy.
Yes. Are we going to pick up Ate Paris?
No.
Yes. We are. Are you excited to see Ate Paris?
Yes.
Yes. Good girl.
Yes.
Nood ng kanyang nursery rhymes. Habang binibihisan ko. Kasi hindi ko nabibihisan ng mabuti. Very movable. I love you, Celine.
Wait.
Wait.
Dada.
I love you, my baba.
Mommy.
Oh. I love you. Thank you very much. Uy! Bugay, gigang bata ako eh. What would you like?
A shuttle.
What's in there? Sinasabi niya, help! Help? Me? We'll see what's in here. It's noodles. Nothing else. Nothing else. I've got you something here. This one.
No.
What no? It's yogurt. It's yummy. That's yogurt drops. Yes?
No. That's fine.
Mano, kakaroon noon. Salamat katagaan ka. Sige na. Ay na, sige pa nga pwede diya kay. Gubot ka na. Sige, put it in there. We'll go downstairs now. So we can put you in your pram. Come on. Hey, this way. Excuse me, my princess. Close. Close it. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Oh yeah, let's close now. Ito na yung BMW ni Baby Celine. Ay, anak! Sis, gawalihan ko ng Diyo. This snake. Say, this is snake there. 1, 2, ready? Are you set? Shush. We're going now. Yeah, check lang natin yung mailbox kung merong...
Mommy!
Okay, you want this one? Here you go. I'll just grab something from the car.
Mommy?
You're welcome, sweetheart. You're so sweet.
Mommy?
Oh, you dropped it. Here you go. So, iniwan ko to siya sa sasakyan, guys. Na? You want this open?
Mommy?
You're welcome, sweetheart. Iniwan ko to siya sa sasakyan kahapon kasi dapat sana kahapon ko to siya ipopost eh. Pero hindi ko na anuhan ng time kahapon. So, today ko siya ipopost. Sold this one on eBay, guys. It's the Prada long zippy wallet. Ayan. Kita ba? Madilim eh. Against the light. Yeah, everything good. Linisan natin, pe. Mahirap na. Alam nyo ba, napaka-stricto ng eBay? Kasi, last week, meron akong nabentang bag. So, yung Dior na small size, beige yung kulay niya. So, very marumihin talaga yung kulay niya. Although, sinabi ko naman sa ad ko na it needs like bags pa. Kasi nga, you know, sa kulay niya, it's very dumihin. Tapos, tinay ko yung mga pictures and everything. At alam niyo ba, they returned it to me. Kasi, ano daw, parang, hindi ko daw inano sa description na ganun karami yung kanyang, yung dirt. So, sa eBay, they are taking it seriously talaga. So, kapag nag-post ka doon, you have to make sure na declare mo lahat. Ako, wala naman akong plano na, hindi declare. I declared everything, but, parang, lang talaga, super picky lang talaga yung mga, nag-check sa eBay. Which is maganda, no? For seller ba? For seller, for the buyer. Kasi, covered ka talaga na you make sure na yung binili mo is talaga, parang in-explain talaga ng mabuti. But in my case, I explained it properly. Like, sabi ko, merong ganito, may stains, may ganito, ganyan. What can you do? So, yeah, they return it to me, and then I'll just have to resell it, and, make sure na, talaga, like, maybe in, bold letters talaga na, ito ganyan. Ito yung flaws niya, na meron siyang dumi dito, na meron siyang ganito, ganyan. Hintay lang namin si Daddy Mike, guys. Parang wala yatang plano na bumaba eh. Sabi ko, 2:45 kami alis. Yes, I got it. Yan, maghihintay na naman yung anak niya doon. 2:50 na. So, alam niyo ba, ang init ng araw, guys. Grabe. Sa skin. Anyways, yun yung ating pa-outfit for today. So, tayo ngayon? Workout outfit. Back. Yes. Daddy will push.
Why don't you record me?
Huh?
Why aren't you recording me?
I am recording you. Look. Oh, di ba? Nakaano din si Daddy Mike. Bago na naman yung shoes ni Daddy Mike. What's that shoes again, Daddy? Hokkaya? Hokkaya. Yan yung shoes na binili ko nung birthday niya.
The most expensive shoes on the market.
And ibang kulay lang yun, guys. May dineliver a couple of days ago. Ito, bumili siya ng pure white.
All the people that are like thinking, why do you spend money on shoes? You don't have a house, or whatever. Really, get a life.
Ito kami papuntang school, guys. Hinihingan na si mami niyo ng very light. Kasi, it's very hilly ba? Alam niyo ba, may share ako sa inyo. Kaninang umaga, muntikan akong magka-heart attack. Kasi, every Wednesday, tsaka Thursday, si Daddy Mike yung nag-drop kay Ate Paris sa school. Para makapag, pahinga naman si Mama sa umaga, diba? So, kaninang umaga, after i-drop Daddy Mike si Ate Paris, pumupunta si Daddy Mike ng gym. So, nasa gym si Daddy Mike, tumawag sa akin yung school, hindi tumawag, nag-text na absent daw si Ate Paris, give a reason daw. Sobra ako, yung heart ko guys, nagkubak-kubak agad ba? Kasi, sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi. Kasi, dinrap siya ng daddy niya. Paanong absent? So, alam niyo na, ang mami niyo na sobrang nag-worry ka agad. Iniisip ko na yung worst case scenario. Sabi ko, ano na kayong nangyari sa anak ko? Bakit wala sa school? Ganito, ganyan. So, tinawagan ko agad si Daddy Mike. Sabi ko, where are you? Sabi naman ni Daddy Mike, hindi, na-drop ko na si Paris sa school. Sabi ko, nakatanggap ako ng, safety first. Nakatanggap ako ng text message galing sa school na absent daw si Paris, wala daw sa school. So, oh my God. There's a dead animal sa daan. Did you see it?
Is it a possum?
It smells too.
Is it the one that squashed in there?
Yeah.
Excellent smell.
Yeah. Oh, so, tinawagan ko yung school. Sabi ko, no, my husband dropped her this morning. Nasa school siya. Kaya sabi niya, okay, hold the line kasi tatawagan daw yung classroom just to double check kung nandun nga ba daw si Paris. So, alam niyo guys, ang utak ko ay tumatakbo ng 1 million kilometers an hour. Kasi, alam niyo na, mahirap na, di ba? So, buti na lang, she came back to me, sabi niya, okay, I confirmed with the teacher. Paris is in the classroom. Yung sabi lang niya, medyo late lang nga daw si Paris kaninang umaga kasi nga sila, medyo natagalan sila ng tatay niya ba. Sabi niya, next time, make sure dalhin niyo si Paris on time para there's no confusion, Daddy. That's what she said. Okay. Ano daw?
7 minutes left.
Kasi pag late ba,
Don't get me wrong. Like, I don't work on Filipino time either. Like, to me, like, I should never be late.
Yeah.
But, yeah, it was 7 minutes, you know?
Kasi pag chine-check nila yung tawag ito guys, yung attendance, kapag wala ka that time na chinek nila, mamark ka nilang absent ka agad. Ayun. Sabi ko next time kailangan na siyang malapit na kami sa school. Ganito yung ma-extend na dito guys. So pag pick up, kapag nag-pick up ka dito ng 3 o'clock na, ayan na, matatagalan ka kasi yung linya ng sasakyan ay haba bumper to bumper. Alam niyo ba, first time namin ipipick up sa Ate Paris together. Very first time, hindi kami nag-pick up ni Daddy Mike na magkasama kami. So, we'll see her reaction. Hindi siya sa loob ng inside the classroom. We'll see her reaction.
Hello.
Give mommy a kiss, me. Give mommy and daddy pick you up.
Children's Day.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. That means we have to bring our kites, our homework back.
Oh.
Tomorrow.
Really?
Because it's Children's Day.
Okay.
We made a kite at school today.
Did you?
I don't want to tell you something.
Okay, because it's special.
Strings.
Wow, that's a very lovely kite, sweetie. Open the door for Daddy. Dito na kami sa bakery. Daddy Mike is ordering now. How's school today, Ate?
Good.
What did you do? Can you tell me?
We made a kite.
Kite?
I was the kite celebration.
Are you already sure?
Oh.
That was a nice kite.
And I made that kite by myself. I didn't get any danger at school today.
Didn't get what?
Danger.
Danger?
Do you know what's on my lip here, Mai?
What is it?
It's just blue.
How did that happen?
I think when I was not looking at it bumped my
Yeah, no, I
lip.
think that's where's your water?
Oh,
You just need to drink more water. That's all.
that's not why.
No, you got dry lips just like Mama. Mama's got dry lips because Mama didn't drink a lot of water. Yeah. Are you getting any?
I'll come and grab it in 1 second.
Ding.
I don't want that sandwich. I already had a sandwich. Here. It doesn't look good inside, but it is.
Where's mine, Daddy?
I'll get it now. Rob, I have so much. Yeah.
See ya.
Mommy!
Thank you, Daddy.
Mommy!
Yes, princess.
Hi guys
Yes.
again.
Baba, give
I'm
me a
not going to
second.
show you how to use
This one.
sausage
This
roll.
one. This is yours.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Is this yours?
Wait a minute, that's not mine. Wait, who's this? Celine?
Kita mo na.
Celine, I think this
Yeah.
Celine, I think this is yours.
No, this is yours. You have to eat this first. Ate Paris is
Wow,
having
I
sausage
didn't even pick this one. That's Celine.
No, that one's Celine, see? Maybe that's yours after you eat the sausage
Well,
roll.
I,
Mommy, Paris doesn't get her treat until she has some stuff.
Yeah, I told her. Come on now.
I'm just saying that's not the one I have.
This one, this is the one you had
This is
before?
what you had, Baba. It's exactly the same. Same
Yeah.
stuff, sausage roll.
No, I mean about my chocolate.
Oh, I got you that one.
Hot, hot.
I can't. No, you don't come. That's fine. I don't care.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah.
He's on
I
it.
don't actually care.
Yeah, good.
I don't care about it.
Yeah, I know. You're a good girl.
Because I love cupcakes.
Any cupcakes will do for you.
So I can have a taste. Actually, I'm not going to have a taste right now.
Yum yum?
So I'm going to have a taste. So I can have a taste? Yummy. I like it. I like that.
No? Here din. Napabili din ako kay Daddy Mike ng
Yeah. No. I like that. That's all like
yummy fruit.
person. How is this?
Kasi after dito, dadalhin ko sila sa park dyan, o sa harapan. Si Daddy Mike, babalik na siya sa bahay. Work mode na. Time check guys, it's 4:32 ng hapon. Oh God, this guy in front. Nagmamadali kami kasi gusto kong i-post yung wallet. Kanina, from the bakery, alam niyo ba, so naglakad kami pa uwi. Nagmadali nga kami para makuha yung sasakyan. And then we'll go drive to the post office, post it, at kailangan din namin mag-grocery shopping. You right lang na? Alam niyo ba yung nangyari? Di ba, nagpabili ako ng prutas? Yes lang. Ay, tiyaw. Yes, really. Which one?
The $2 shop where I get the paint.
We'll go have a look, okay?
I want to get something.
Yeah, let's just hope that the post office... What's wrong, my love? It's a bit hot, isn't it? Okay. Mama will put the air conditioner on. Pagka-uwi namin, naglakad kami. Pinakain ko ng watermelon tong si baby Celine natin na alam niyo ba? Na ano siya? Nabilaukan ng watermelon. Sobrang nagsuka siya sa daan. Watermelon na nga yun. Very soft ba? Kaya hindi talaga dapat extra ingat talaga. Yes, anak. What is it, anak? What is it you're holding, ate? Celine wants it? So yun, natagalan kami doon sa daan, guys. Kaya very late na. 4:34 na ngayon. 5 o'clock sila magko-close. Hindi naman malayo yung drive. Yes, baby. Give her some, anak, please.
Okay, I'll give her a piece.
Thank you. Hindi malayo, pero nga, peak hour ba? Ma-traffic. Oh, pagdating doon, kailangan pang Anyways, if we won't make it, then we won't make it. So, we'll give it a go still. Dun din naman kami pupunta kasi kailangan namin mag-grocery shopping. We need a lot of stuff para sa bahay. Yes, anak. So, kailangan namin umuwi para magbihis. Binihisan ko na lang din si Ate Paris para komportable. So, Celine talagang na anuhan ng suka dito, oh. Everywhere.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Everyone, guys! That's close right now.
Yes.
Here's my sister Celine.
Yeah, mag-grocery shopping kami, guys.
Cheese!
Titi! Are you excited?
Yes!
Good luck sa atin. Yes! Uy, di mo ako kalaki kasi mag-inday. Okay. Hey, you both be good to mama, okay? Alright? Wash your hands. Oh. Here. Oh. There you go. Wipe. Wash hands, Lini. Here. Be. One more? Okay. Another one. What happened?
But she was attacking in one today. Mommy!
Yes, ma'am.
Mommy! One time.
That's apple.
Of me.
This strawberries. This one looks good. What is it, Lang? Apple? You want apple? Okay, we'll go get apple. You like it?
Mom! Yes? Mama! Gorgeous. No, guys.
What do you want to do?
It's like yummy milk. It's like yummy milk.
Oh, yeah.
Mom! Pink one. That time.
Sinasabi niya sa akin, guys, open.
Oh my God. Mom!
Yes, ma'am.
I want
What do you want to do?
my cheetah.
Tita.
I don't know.
You got a boo-boo?
A boo-boo.
Show me. Oh, no. How did it happen? Show the Paris your boo-boo.
Boo-boo.
Yes, Ate Paris will fix it. Ate Paris is a doctor.
Boo-boo.
Fix it, Ate Paris.
Boo-boo.
A boo-boo.
I know. You need a bandage.
I know.
You got a bandage.
Just put water. What else we need? Think. Milk. We need milk.
Next time, can we come back here on my next birthday? Like that call.
Yeah. Hang on, we'll check it. Yeah, hang on, we'll check it. There's no crack. Okay, it looks good. That's good? Okay.
And let me have a seat. I'm a food shop. Okay.
Yummy. Okay, now we need milk. Can you say milk? Can you say milk? Can you say milk?
No.
Oh, no. Okay.
Mommy.
Smell? Smell. What do you think?
Down. Smells good. Smells like chocolate.
You sure? There?
It does.
Which one do you like better? That one, that smells like coffee. This one smells so good.
Mommy.
You?
I like that one.
Yeah? You like it better?
My birthday chocolate. I check it.
How about this one lang? Mahal na ba? 15 mo na lang.
Mommy! Mommy!
Na may umiiyak na guys. Umiiyak na guys. Alam nyo. Kasi meron siyang ano guys, electricity ba? Ito. Ang truly. Ang truly may electricity. Pag inahawak. Pag hinahawakan ko sila, guys, may kuryente ba? No, sabi ko, don't touch me. Paano tayo uuwi? Sabi ko, you just stay in the trolley.
I want you to just carry me.
Naglaro na si Paris, guys. Nag-joke-joke siya. Ganun-ganun siya sa akin mo.
Mommy.
I know. There's a boo-boo.
Please,
There's electricity.
please.
Yes.
Please carry me.
We're home, guys. Kanina pa kami nakauwi, kaya lang si baby sila nakatulog sa sasakyan. So, pinapick up ko lang kay daddy sa baba yung mga napamili namin. Medyo madilim ba? Napundera naman tong aming magastos ba nitong suga na to Tingnan nyo, this one is working. Look, this one. But that one is not working. Ayan. Napundera naman siya. Bibili ako ng pang niya. Ayan. So, I might do this now. Para dilim.
Hello. What are you doing right now, Mike?
I have to do... Ano ba to? Binili
What
ko
are you doing right now?
Cool white.
Mike, what are you doing right now?
Fixing that light lang because it's broken. I hope I got the
Which
right.
one?
That one. See, it's not working.
Oh, yeah. Guys, can I tell you one more thing?
You can tell me, anak.
Um,
Okay. Let's hope it's the same. I think it's the same.
hold on.
Ang bilis naman nitong mapunder. Uy, grabe, uy. Gastos mo, ha? Okay. We'll see. Let there be light. Oh. Ayan. Is it better? Yeah, it's better. Mas kita nyo, guys. So, nag-work na. Ang dalawa. Galing talaga yung mami nyo, So, we'll throw this one now. Hi, Ling! Don't drop it, please, ha! She might break it. Alam niyo, binili ni mami nyo. Bumili ako ng, ayan, yung mga chicken bones ulit para sa tinola ni mami nyo. Ayan, bumili ako ng 4. Ang dami. Lagay ko yan siya sa freezer. Tigda-dalawa yung lulutuin ko. Hi, princess. Come here. Show tita. Hello, everyone.
I'm like that, baby.
Yes, hello. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Ay, Josh. Tigaw lang maganak ko eh. You know how to say hi, guys, now? My goodness. Where did the time go?
Abba.
Huh? Can you say, hi, guys? Blub, 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 blub. Here. Blub, 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 blub. You're welcome, sweetheart. Show it to Ate Paris, ka. Bili ako ng grapes. Some snacks for Celine. Yeah, just let me prepare you something. I got some bread. And this is the mugu-mugu.
Mommy!
Yes? What is it, na? Chicken spare ribs. Alam niyo yung gagawin ko dito, guys. Gagamitan ko to ng crispy fry. Tapos, deep fry ko. Sobrang sarap niyan. Got yogurt for the kids. Mainly vanilla. And scotch fillet. Yan. Dalawa. Sea salt and balsamic vinegar. May yogurt pa siya. And eggs. Okay. Still have more. Meron tayong strawberries, apple. Yung gusto ko yung apple na pink lady. Unfortunately, wala silang ganun doon ngayon. Kaya, ano na lang. This cheese. We got some fries. might have this tonight. Actually, we have the chicken burgers, cheese. Ayan. So, nag-sale siya, guys. It was $8.50 down to $6.37. But it's best before tomorrow. So, lutuin na natin ito tonight. Mandarins. And some strawberry high in calcium. High in calcium. Ayan. Paris and Celine. Then, the last bag, meron tayong milk. We have also the, bakit ganito? Meron tayong pang dishwashing liquid. Yeah, dishwashing liquid na. Fabric conditioner. Apen. You want apen. And, oh, yes. Ito yung napili namin, guys. Nagsimot-simot malido ka ganina. And, ito yung nagustuhan ko. And medyo cheap din siya. $10 kumpara sa iba. Yung iba, $16, $25. So, ito siya half price. Kaya, ito na yung and, got some snacks for Celine. This one, caramel. Oh, Mommy. Thank you, sweetheart. Oh, I love you. And then, last but not least, itong, ganun-ganun ang palabas. I love you, sweetheart. I love you, Celine, Baba. Anong oras na, guys? At ito ay gising pa rin. Uy, Inday. Wash-wash na tayo, anak. Kung narinig nyo, guys, ang ating Daddy Mike ay nandun sa lounge room kasama si Ate Paris kasi sila may homework ba sa school. At kailangan na lang ibalik bukas. Ling! Are you flossing your teeth? Are you? Shush, kanina mo anak ko. Nishoot good siya sa sink, guys. Come na. Get ready, Lily. What's wrong? It's very late now. I'm very tired now. Awat masag kasi mo ako. Ay, shush. Say good night na lang. Good night. Say good night.
Mommy.
Love you, Mommy. Love you, Mama. Kiss Mama. Oh, shush. Kiss Mama again. Oh, I love you. Oh, say, love you, Mommy. Love you, Lenny. Ay, love you, Lenny. Wala, gusto nang mag-baby. Agoy. Kiss na lang, Mama, be. Kiss, Mama, be. Ate Paris natin na nandiyan. How's your homework, ate?
Good.
Good?
She said, don't know. I tried to let you go so many times before, and it wouldn't do it. Can you say what the word has to mean?
Then wound up at your door.
When an actual door,
Then wound up at your door.
and with an actual door, like that.
At your door. Then wound up at your door.
When an
At
actual
at
your
your
at.
Okay, let's go. No, turn the light off na ako. That's about it for today's video, guys. I'm ready na. Oh, careful na, the milk. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up if you like it.
Daddy.
Daddy's gonna come.